Here are 4 reasons why you should get tested for HIV.
Number 1, kapag maaga mong nalaman ang HIV status mo, mas maaga ka rin makakagawa ng paraan para alagaan ang sarili mo.
At number 2, kung ikaw man ay maging positive or reactive, don't worry dahil libre ang gamutan para sa HIV.
Number 3, kung ikaw ay natatakot pumunta sa testing hub o walang time para magpa-test, pwede ka na mag-request ng HIV self-care test sa Embrace Virtual Hub.
And number 4, libre at confidential ang HIV testing sa Love Yourself Hubs, Champion Community Centers, at social hygiene clinics.
So don't let fear control your sexual health.
Because Love Yourself is here to help you explore. #what works for you.
Kaya tara na, magpa-test because your health matters.